Okay, so this problem is asking us to find the equation for f inverse of x and then graph both of them in the same rectangular viewing window. Okay, so first let's find the equation. So I would replace f of x with y. So y equals 1 over x plus 2. Switch x and y. So x equals 1 over y plus 2. And then resolve this thing for y. So I'd have x minus 2 equals 1 divided by y. So therefore y is equal to 1 over an x minus 2. Therefore f inverse is equal to, write that 1 over x minus 2. Okay, so let's graph this one here in red. That's the original function. So that's the 1 over x, that's the Hurley graph just moved up 2 units. Okay, so the center would be here, and this point would be on the graph, and this point would be on the graph. So it would look kind of like this right here. Okay, and then this would come up here, and it would go down kind of like that. Okay. So this represents f of x. Now, I'm also going to put in the line y equals x because this is going to tell me how to reflect the graph over this is the line y equals x. Remember, any graph and its inverse is reflected over that line. So ask myself, okay, so the center is at 0, 2, so the center of my other one is going to be at 2, 0. So this point here. This is the point 1, 3 on my regular function, so I'm going to have the point 3, 1, and there's that point right there, 3, 1, and this is the point negative 1, 1, so if I switch those I'm going to have 1, negative 1. So then I would have the graph would be looking something like this, and then it would be coming down and be looking something like this. It's kind of hard to draw. Like that. There we go. Okay, that's the best of my ability. So this would be f inverse of x, and it would be the graph of that equation there. You could also use your calculator to verify that that is correct, and I highly recommend that you do that on the test. So graph both of them and then graph the points on there as well.